Welcome to B.Y.O.O TV.
It is a beautiful day, Teddy.
Yes, I like walking with you. Look, what is that? Look, I think it leads to a secret world.
I am a little scared. Should we go inside?
Do not be afraid.
Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 3-0.